Hello friends, this is yet another tutorial in the series of VB6. In this tutorial we will learn about scroll bar control in VB6. So first start a new project. This is the scroll bar. First is the horizontal scroll bar and the other is the vertical scroll bar. We are placing both of them onto our form. You might have seen scroll bars on either Microsoft Word or any other Microsoft product, where when the page is ended, it just scrolls down to another page where you can view the contents from the very start. So here we are putting up an image, a pretty simple image, and setting its stretch property to true and setting up a picture. The most important property of a scroll bar is its value. So this is the picture. Our aim here is when we change the value of scroll bars, the picture's height and width should be changed accordingly. The property of value is set to 0 here, and here it is also set to 0. Now when we change the value of this horizontal scroll bar, the width of the picture should be changed. That is, image 1 dot width is equal to h scroll 1 dot value. And when the horizontal scroll bar's value is changed, we are changing the width of the picture, and when the vertical scroll bar's value is changed, we are changing the height of the picture. That is, image 1 dot height is equal to v scroll 1 dot value, and then run the program. Here, if you increase the value of horizontal scroll bar, you can see that the height of the image also increases. You can see that when you change the value of that horizontal and vertical, both the scroll bars, there is also change in height and width of the picture here. So this was tutorial explaining you scroll bars in VB6. Thank you.